Hello, my beautiful little bean sprouts.
Hello everyone, it's Alex and Emma, and we're back again for another video.
Another video in Tokyo.
But this one's a little bit different.
It's a little bit different from other ones. So we decided we would go to see an art expo today.
Because we're getting into culture, guys, because that's apparently what we do now, we do culture stuff.
And we've been getting into digital art a little bit. Well, I have.
Yeah, Emma has, and she's dragged me along.
Team Labs was the name of the company, I believe, and Borderless was the name of the expo.
So I think they do a lot of these around the world, from my understanding. And it's kind of like moving, almost interactive art.
Yeah.
And it was really, really awesome, but it was not really the kind of environment to vlog. So what we're doing today instead is we want to put a bunch of the best clips together for you to have a little check out, because we really think that you should see it.
And I think it would be best served with a nice cup of tea, maybe some chalky biscuits to go with it.
This is definitely something that you can wake up to, or you could go to bed to, or you could middle of the day to, anytime, but watch this.
Just watch and repeat all day, every day.
If this is not really your thing, like digital art, it wasn't really gonna be my thing, watch the first minute at least after this bit of talking, because it's really, really cool, and I think you would like it. I think it's really, really awesome.
So please sit back, relax with a nice cup of tea and enjoy the show.
How cool was that? I hope you liked it anyway.
Yes, we liked it. Hope you liked it. Now is the time of the video that we are going to love you and leave you.
Well, we're getting bitten by mosquitoes right now, and tomorrow we are going to the YouTube studio to film the rest of our Digital Nomad series, and it is so itchy.
I know, they're biting the shit out of us.
So we're going to film a vlog there and show you what the studios look like, so hopefully keep an eye out for that once it passes clearance, because we have to make the video,
have to
submit it, and then they have to clear it if it's good enough or if it's allowed to come out.
And what's weird is whoever has to clear it is going to be watching us saying this right now.
They won't.
They won't, because it's in a different video.
Different video, they won't see it. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful beans.
Hit the thumbs up button.
Yeah.
And don't forget to leave a comment. And if you haven't already, obviously subscribe.
But we ask them, we say what kind of comment we want.
Okay, we have to be specific. Oh wow! You've got 5 mosquitoes on your foot, mate.
When was
5 all at the same time.
When was the last time you got bitten by a mosquito? Some other art comments, just anything about art, that would be great. We're cultured now, so put that in the comment, we'll understand it probably. Then we say subscribe, and then I say, quite loudly because there's no one around today, so I don't really care, beans out!